Today we are finishing our course with chapter 3, ERP Challenges, Generations and Project Implementation. In this final chapter, we will talk about the real world execution. We will see why some ERP projects succeed, why others fail, the different generations of software architecture, and where the future of ERP is going. Let's look at the actual value first. ERP contributions and value. When a company successfully installs an ERP, it gains a huge benefit. First, corporate transparency. It gives managers a clear view of everything happening in every department at any moment. Second, performance optimization. All business tasks moves faster and smoother. Third, long-term cost saving. It helps cut down inventory waste and reduces manual slow office paper work. K. Implementation risks. However, the road is full of risks and implementation challenges. ERP high resource demand. It requires months of hard work, staff efforts, and technical training. Can say it also brings high financial overheads because software license and expert fees are very expensive. If a company mismanages employee training or data migration, the whole project can fail completely, my friends. Proprietary versus open source. As managers, you must choose between two main types of software frameworks. Proprietary ERP refers to commercial suites like SAP or Oracle. They are highly reliable and have excellent support, but they cost a fortune. On the other side, we have open source like Odoo. The software code is free and fully customizable, but you need a very strong team of local developers to run it. On-premise versus cloud architecture. You also have to choose where to host the system. Traditional on-premise ERP is installed directly on the company's local servers. It gives you total control over your data, but server maintenance is expensive. Modern cloud is hosted on the internet. It has much lower initial step costs. It is accessible from anywhere and the provider updates it automatically. The implementation life say. How do we actually install an ERP? We will follow three major phases or phases. Phase 1 is planning. We study our business needs and select the right vendor. Phase 2 is technical execution. We clean up our old office files and migrate them into the central database. Phase 3 is into the central database, is testing and go live. We run intense quality checks, my friends. Train our employees to use the system. And in the end, we launch it. Comparative agility and trends. Let's look at the future trends of ERP software. Today, we look for system agility, meaning software that can change quickly and the business grows. The biggest trend right now is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Intelligent ERPs can now write, automate financial forecasts and reply to consumers, my friends. We also see the Internet of Things, where factory machines talk directly to the ERP to update production numbers instantly. As a summary, to wrap up chapter 3, remember that ERP is a strategic business journey, not just an IT project. Your choice between cloud or non-premise, commercial or open source must depend on your budget and company goals. The future of management belongs to intelligent enterprise systems powered by the cloud and AI. Thanks you, my friend, so much for your time during this semester. I will be ready for your question. As we know, put them in the comments. Thank you.